Now, let's try to add a theme so that it will look better. Now when I install a theme for the first time, I can just use the default one. Let's try this one just to see how it looks like. Of course, I'm going to teach you how to use Elementor, but that would be on another course, another schedule. For now, I just want you to see how to install a WordPress theme. So you just have to activate and publish, and there you go. You will have your new theme installed on your WordPress website. So let's check again. Okay, so that's the default theme actually. Now, if you want to use another theme, you can just close this one and select the theme here. Add new and find the theme. Say for example, training. That means theme related to training. Okay, so I have to select this one. What I'm showing you here, guys, is just the very basic installation of a WordPress theme so that your website will look better than the default one. So let's see how the website looks like this time. Okay, so that's how it looks like for now. We can always make that better. I have shown you how to install WordPress theme.